Hey guys, it's Ria, and today I am showing you how to create this look that I've done. I am calling this Travis look, my drag name Travis Hot look, the King of the Snow Fairies, or the Snow Fairy King. It is inspired by the Lush Snow Fairy range, and actually I wanted to do this because for me personally, being genderqueer, gender fluid, gender non-conforming, I feel very, very fluid. I feel comfortable with that. And one of my biggest insecurities, I guess, or one of my biggest things that I don't like, well, one, I just don't like the colour pink, but also I don't like the fact that pink is associated with femininity. So I wanted to push myself and my boundaries today with that in mind. And this is the look I've made. So this video is going to be showing you how I achieved this look. Let's get into it. I hope you enjoyed this video today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment below your favourite Christmas product. Yeah, I want to know. And let me know if you recreated this look and what you think. And if you have any ideas of what I should do next, let me know. If you head over to my Instagram account at Mathematical, you can see a lot more content from me. Still doing the 12 days of Christmas and 12 days of Dragmas, so you'll see all the looks that I have been posting on there. And yeah, and I hope you have a great day and happy holidays. Bye.